In a burst of color, this rapid guide shares 5 home wins you can nail in under a minute. To revive a stubborn spray bottle, loosen the nozzle with warm water, shake, and test a fine mist instantly. For a squeaky chair, slip a rubber bumper under the leg and twist a quarter turn for silence. Clear a slow drain by pouring half a cup of baking soda, followed by a cup of hot vinegar, and rinse. Freshen a fridge with citrus peels inside a cup of baking soda to neutralize odors and brighten space.